Oh, I am so happy. I finally got my chicken nuggets from McDonald's. This is the best day ever. I'm going to enjoy this.
Oh, cool. Can I have some?
No, fuck off. Mine. Get your own.
Can I at least have some fries?
No, you may not. Fuck off. All of this is mine, the drink included. Or, Aura, the fuck did I just say? What the fuck did I just say? No. No. Mm-mm. 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 No. You did not just steal a fry.
And what do you want me to do? My assistant did not give me one of my own, so what do you expect me to do,
Opposite. Come on, you're being selfish. Just a fry. Just share.
Yeah, man, I could seriously be here right now, feasting on a human arm, but no, I'm here with you guys. So, yeah, it could be 10 times worse. I could go absolutely feral and eat one of you guys. But no, I'm enjoying this burger, which in no way possible has any human bits on it. But you know, I don't care. It's good. I like it. I'm happy.
Okay, no one asked you. Um, can you guys just leave me alone? I'm happy for once. Don't ruin this shit for me. Go fuck off and get your own Happy Meals. Because I am not sharing.
And what are you going to do about it, Are you going to growl like a feisty dog that you are?
Oh no, he's going Super Saiyan.
I think everybody should get down.
Um, my here.
Everybody get down.